Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about inventory management system. Inventory management system is a software which is helpful for business operate hardware stores where a store owner keeps the record of sales and purchases. Inventory management is a key factor in success of any organization. Inventory means any ideal resource of an enterprise. It is also means stock on the hand at a given time. So the function of inventory management is to find a sufficient amount of stocks that will fulfill the demand without causing overstocks. This is a simple inventory management system is accessible to the shop administrator. It requires the administrator system user credential to gain access the features and functionalities. The administrator can manage the list of customer categories, suppliers, products under delivery. Each of the features contains a CRUD. CRUD means create, read, update and delete operations or functionalities. The system is automatically computes the available stocks of the each product on hand. This web application is user friendly, so user can easily use the system. The aim of proposed system is to develop the system of improved facilities. The proposed system can overcome all the limitations of existing. Our system avoids the manual work which takes lots of time to spend in that. Next, this application is keeps data centralized way. It is available for the user at simultaneously. It is very easy to manage the historical data in database. No specific training is required for employees to use this application. Now we are going to see our project flow diagram. We have two modules. One is admin, another one is a user. Admin is a shop owner who can manage the buyers and suppliers, and admin can also manage the product and sessions, and admin can also manage the order and delivery of a customers. Admin can manage the user, that is our customers. Next one is a user. User is one who can add and view the supplier, and add and view the products, and add and view the buyers, add and view the order and deliver from the customer. We are going to see our project output. This is the login page. First we are going to log in with admin's username and a password. This is the administration login page. This is the admin site where admin can add the new groups, and in store field admin can add and manage the new buyers, deliveries, drops, orders, product, sessions and suppliers, and admins can also manage the users, new users, and then he can able to see the recent actions of process. Now I am going to log in with users page. This is the user dashboard where a user can see the list of orders, product, suppliers and buyers, and user can also manage and add the new suppliers, and user can also manage and add the new buyers, new sessions, new drops, and user can also add the new products for customers, and user can manage the delivery and orders too. You can see the order status which is pending or completed, and then he can create the new delivery with the courier name, and then user can create the new delivery. Now I am going to log out. Thank you.